Hello everyone. So I've told you how to mute the notifications, right? Of any particular chat or a group chat, right? But how do we mute a WhatsApp status? Shall we do it? Yes. I'm going to tell you the easiest way to do it. Go to the updates area and you will see status of everyone, right? Now what you're going to do is tap on it and hold it, and you will get this option: mute Nikita's status updates. So new status updates will not appear under new update status, right? So that's how we do it. Check whose status you don't want to see, hold it up and mute it. And once you click on mute, after holding that and you get this option, you click on mute and status will not be visible to you, right? So that's how we mute some particular person's status updates on WhatsApp Android. Hope you get to know something about WhatsApp. See you in the next video. Till then, watch the previous videos. Tada!